Welcome, Advanced Web Design, to your first week of hybrid learning. So this week, for the 2 days that you are learning online, I need you to work on Unit 5, which is Content Management Systems. And in our case, we're going to be using WordPress. And for the next 2 days, I also need you to work on the first two items that are listed under Content Management Systems is what is a CMS, which is a video for you to watch. CMS stands for Content Management Systems. And then the second item is an assignment where you're going to do research online, comparing building a site from scratch versus using a CMS. So once you go in there, you have this. This is your link to copy your assignment. When you select it, you're going to get a document that looks something like this. And we need at least 5 pros and 5 cons in the 4 different boxes. So you're going to do pros and cons of a CMS, as well as pros and cons of writing a site from scratch. So good luck, and I look forward to seeing you in class if I haven't seen you already. Okay, take care.